If you're looking for a quick and simple way to create a satisfaction survey for your online course, this short tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested the most popular survey tools, so you don't have to. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to build a feedback form that gets meaningful insights from your students. Plus, there's a free trial for the software I recommend, exclusively for viewers of my channel, linked in the description. Let's get right into it. First, open the software we'll be using. Links in the description if you want to follow along with the same one. After trying tools like Typeform, Google Forms, and SurveyMonkey, this one stood out because it balances ease of use, custom branding, and logic branching, all features you'll want in a professional-looking satisfaction survey. Start by selecting Create New Survey, name it something clear like Course Feedback, Module 1, so you can organize responses later. Begin with a warm welcome message, something like, "Thank you for taking this course. Your feedback helps us improve." It sets a positive tone and increases response rates. Next, add a question asking for an overall rating of the course. A 1 to 5-star scale works well. This gives you a quick snapshot of student satisfaction. Follow up with a question like, "What did you enjoy most about the course?" Use a short answer field here. Open-ended responses give you goldmine insights. Now include a question on what could be improved. Again, keep it open-ended. You'll often find useful suggestions that can guide your updates. If your course had multiple modules, use a drop-down or multiple choice list asking which module they found most valuable. This helps you identify what's working best. Add a simple yes/no question. Would you recommend this course to others? That's your Net Promoter Score in disguise, super useful. You can also ask about their learning experience. Did you feel the course met its objectives? A Likert scale from strongly agree to strongly disagree works great here. Now here's the trick. Enable logic branching so that if someone selects a low rating, you ask a follow-up like, "What could we have done better?" This keeps your feedback focused and actionable. Lastly, say thanks again, and let them know their responses will be reviewed to help improve the course. You can even redirect them to a thank you page or bonus resource when they hit submit. Once you're done, preview the survey, test it, and then grab the link to share with your students by email or embed it on your course dashboard. So what's the key takeaway? A good satisfaction survey doesn't just collect ratings, it uncovers real insights that help you improve your online course experience. Quick recap, start with a friendly intro, ask about overall satisfaction, dive into what worked and what didn't, use logic to personalize the flow, and keep it short and focused. If you want to build along with the software I used, don't forget there's an exclusive free trial in the description just for Danthorn viewers. I highly recommend you take advantage of that if you're serious about getting better course feedback fast. That's it for this one. Go build your survey, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.